We're showing you how to thread a vintage Kenmore sewing machine, model number 13450. And I can't focus that, so.
Put your thread up here. Come around here. Go under at the back and get that hook. Did you see that hook?
Mm-hmm.
Come to the front and go around there for this hook. Come down to your tension. Grab your wire, your thread. Come under that wire and pull it all the way up till you're over the hook right there.
Okay.
Come back up through the needle, the eye. Yeah, okay, hold on, I got it stuck. Can you pause?
Let me, sorry. Okay, got it through the eye.
Yeah, through the eye. Pull it. Come down under these two hooks and through the needle.
Through the needle.
This needs to be cut.
This little.
It's not going through the needle.
This little deal first, and then through the needle. Scissors are right there.
You go through there, 'cause I don't.
Actually, the way I saw it on that other video is they just pull it through there.
Okay.
Okay.
Put your needle
We got some
up.
thread already in there from the bobbin.
Stick it down so you can see. And you put it through your eye.
Low battery.
And pull it through. Ta-da!
And real quick, so I don't forget, and take this off.
Here's your bobbin.
This is how you pull your bobbin out. Low battery. I'll show that real quick.
Okay, you put your bobbin.
Yeah, and you're supposed to put it in a certain way.
You're not gonna make it anywhere on this bobbin.
I know. Well, let's just get it in there for now.
The thread will be going clockwise when you're holding it.
So when you're holding it, it's coming through the top to the right.
Right. Okay, where's this? You drop it in.
Mm-hmm.
You pull it through the little hooks. It goes to the right.
Okay.
You hold this and stick it in there till it locks. Then you grab your top thread. Tell if it got that.
Turn it towards you.
Yes. And you pull it through.
All right, success. That is how you thread a Kenmore 8-stitch 1980s.
Yeah.
1980s
The old
sewing
antique.
machine.